Today for your activity, you're going to be working with multiple meaning words. I have listed some words that have multiple meanings. Once you find a word that you would like to use, you are then going to write a riddle using both of the meanings for a partner to figure out. For example, let's look at the word field. If you go to dictionary.com or use a regular dictionary, you can see the definitions for field refer to an open or cleared ground for the first definition, or a piece of ground devoted to sports or contests. You're going to take those definitions and turn them into questions. For example, the riddle can sound like, what is an open country with no trees, or an area of land where a sport is played? Once you have all 5 riddles written down, you can then trade with a partner. Your partner is then going to try to figure out the riddle and write their word here.